Hi everyone, it is Kim Pippa-Tonneson. I am your instructor this semester for this fast-paced, jam-packed English 1C course. Again, we are covering 16 weeks of material in 8 weeks, so it will be a heavier workload than normal, but I do want to encourage you to power through. You can get this course done in half the time, and many of the assignments, even though there might be 4 assignments a week oftentimes, some of them are shorter than others and some are more intense. So you're going to really be needing to look ahead and see what's coming up, make a calendar, make a schedule for yourself. One note is you'll see these fallacy quizzes that are called mini quizzes, and I have these in 5 weeks of the course, I believe. These are 1, 2, or 3 questions long, so they're very brief. It's just familiarizing you with some of the fallacies, and I thought it would be easier to break them up into 1 fallacy a week instead of all of them and trying to remember the differences. So know that those will be pretty short, easy assignments, and these other ones might require a little bit more time. So make sure to ask me questions along the way. Please review the orientation video on the homepage as well, which will show you how to navigate the course, and communicate with me as to how you're doing throughout, and I'm happy to help. Good luck, and I will talk to you soon.